Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to change your taillight bulb in a 97 Lexus LX450. This is basically the same as the Toyota Land Cruiser, the FJ80. Many different years use this same taillight assembly and the same process or procedure to remove. You really just need a screwdriver, just a regular, a Phillips screwdriver. A small one like a number 2 is fine. Come over here to the side. You've got 2 screws or Phillips head bolts. Just loosen and remove them. That's what those look like. Just set those aside. And then you've got this one over here. It's lined up over here in the reverse light lens. Same thing, just a Phillips screwdriver. And this is a very long screw that holds this lamp assembly in. You can set that aside. And then we can just carefully pull that tail lamp assembly down. Just kind of positioning this a little sideways so you can see what I have going on here. So the 3 bulbs, of course, this is your signal, your backup light, and then your brake light, which is the one that's out. Again, this is a 2 filament, the 1157. So when the lights are on, this still works. You know, your running lights are on, but when you apply the brake, it's out, and it looks like it's black on one side, so it's probably burned out. So you just grab the bulb, push in and turn, pop it out, put in the new one, just like that, and then that socket, it just locks into place. You just, I didn't mention, but you twist it clockwise to lock it in place, counterclockwise to loosen it up, and then just position this assembly right back where it was. I'll start with the bolts on the side, or the screws on the side here. Now here you don't want to over tighten this. You'll crack this plastic housing and have to replace that, and they're expensive. And then finally this long screw here, just right back in through the same hole, line it up, and carefully, I say carefully because, you know, I'm using a standard screwdriver here, not a power screwdriver or a drill. Just make it snug. If you over tighten that again, you'll probably end up cracking that. And you're good. I'm gonna go step on the brake pedal just to verify that that's working. And you're done. Hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll put a link in the description where you can buy these bulbs direct on Amazon as well. But thanks so much for watching, and good luck.